Dear student, we are here on the exercise 10.4 in chapter 10 circle. And today's first theorem is equal chords are equidistant from the center of a circle. So given a circle, its a center and equal chords are equidistant from the center. We should prove that equal chords are equidistant from the center of a circle. So here two chords, one is AB, एक इधर ले लेते हैं CD. AB and CD are two equal chord of a circle COR. It's a given term. So given is AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle COR. O is the center and R is the radius. And here two perpendicular, because we are proving the equidistance. So OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD, such that OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. Prove that OL equal to OM. To prove equidistance, OL equal to OM. And then construction, join the radius on the one side. So join OB and OC. Join OB and OC. Again proof. In triangle OLB, in triangle OMC. In this triangle, we are proving the congruent triangle. So first, angle 1 equal to 2. Angle 1 equal to 2, both are 90 degree. Its reason, OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. OB equal to OB is the radius, radii of same circle. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side, here side is BL equal to CM. But for proving the BL equal to CM, here AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD given है. Equal chords are given. Then half of AB equal to half of CD. Multiply half on both sides. And half of AB is BL. And here CM. Its reason, perpendicular from center to chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center to a chord bisect the chord. So right angle, hypotenuse and side. So RHS criteria of congruence. Triangle OLB is congruent triangle OMC. These triangles are congruent. So OL equal to OM, and its reason OL equal to OM is corresponding parts, so CPCT. So hence equal chords are equidistant from center of a circle. So here chords are equal and we should prove the equidistance from the center. Next theorem is the converse of this theorem. In this theorem chords are equal and we prove equidistant. In the second theorem, if two chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. In the second theorem, if two chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. So the given term is AB and CD are two chords of a circle such that OL equal to OM. So AB and CD are two chords of a circle COR such that OL equal to OM. To prove AB equal to CD, construction तो वही जो इन OL, OBN, OC. In the proof, the same way. In triangle OLB and OMC, first angle 1 equal to 2, 90 degree. It is given. OL equal to OM. OL equal to OM is given equidistance. And perpendicular from center of a circle to a chord, bisect the chord. But here OL bisect AB, but AB and CD are not equal. So we cannot use the BL equal to CM. But OB and OC are the radii of same circle. So we can use the OB equal to OC. So right angle, hypotenuse and side OL. It's also RHS. So in triangle OLB and triangle OMC. First angle 1 equal to 2. Both are 90 degree. It's given. Next, OB equal to OC. Radii of same circle. And side is OL equal to OM. OL equal to OM is given. So RHS criteria of congruence. Triangle OLB is congruent triangle OMC. In both the theorem, we are using the RHS. Here right angle, hypotenuse and side. Here OL equal to OM is the side. In the previous theorem, BL equal to CM is the side. So these are congruent and BL equal to CM. It's the reason CPCT BL equal to CM. And twice of BL equal to twice of CM. Multiply 2 on both sides. So BL plus BL is BL and AL are equal. So perpendicular from center to chord, bisect the chord. So BL and AL are equal. So here AB equal to CD. And its reason perpendicular from center to a chord, bisect the chord. So AB and CD are, these two chords are equal. Next question number first of exercise 10.4. First question is, two circle of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points, and the distance between the center is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Here two circle, one is 5 cm radius and another is 3 cm radius. Intersect at 2 points A and B. Its center is O and its center is O dash, and distance between their center is 4 cm. ये आपका 5 है, ये 3 है और ये 4 है. So 5, 3 and 4, it's a right angle triangle. Its distance is 4, and find the length of the common chord AB. Its point is M. So OM is perpendicular to chord AB, and O dash M is also perpendicular to chord AB. So given a triangle AOO dash, here three sides are given, so we can find its area, and again by using the half base side. The base is 4 and height is AM, and we can find the AM, and twice of AM is AB. So first of all, in triangle OAO dash, A equal to 3 cm, B equal to 4 cm, and C equal to 5 cm. These three sides are given. So S is A plus B plus C by 2, 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, 12 by 2, 6 cm. And using the Heron's formula, because three sides are given. So S 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 6 minus 5, 1. And its multiplication is also 6 into 6, 36, and 6 centimeter square is the area. So area of triangle is 6 centimeter square, and area equal to half base, again using the half base side, because we will find the AM. So half base is O dash and height is AM, equal to 6. Half O dash is 4 into AM, and AM equal to 3 centimeter. AM is 3 centimeter and AB equal to twice of AM. AB equal to twice of AM, because perpendicular from center to chord bisect the chord. So 2 into AM, AM is 3, and finally 6 centimeter is the length of AB.